The lesson that we're doing today is going to be lesson 14. Lesson 14. 14. We are on page 29. We'll be doing pages 29 through 30 in English. All right, so today our lesson focus is to understand what an exclamation mark is and what it does and how you use it. All right, so an exclamation mark is something that you use when you're excited or you're really mad and you're yelling. So I want you guys to do a happy face if it's an exclamation mark, or this if it's a period, okay? All right, everybody paying attention?
Yes.
All right. My dog went to the vet. Right, it's the 2 dots because it's just a statement. All right. I got a new puppy yesterday. Yeah, we would do the happy face. Good job. Yep. And we would use an exclamation mark there.
I would be happy if I got another dog.
Yeah,
that
me
means
too.
we would have 4 dogs.
All right. Whenever you have an exclamation mark, what are you showing? Zoe?
Excitement.
Excitement or Charlie?
Anger.
Yeah, or surprise, like you're shocked. What kind of sentence would you use? What kind of sentence would you use to ask for something? You would use a Charlie?
Question.
A question, yes. And which kind of sentence would you use to show that you're excited? Zoe?
An exclamation mark.
Yeah, but which sentence would you use to tell someone what something does? Logan? Yes, a period, because it is a statement. All right, so we are on this page 29. It says exclamations, and it says an exclamation is a sentence that shows strong feeling. It might show surprise or fear or excitement. Like, hurry up, the train is coming. Like, that could be either fear or excitement. Or an exclamation ends with an exclamation point. So any exclamation sentence that you speak, it should end with a exclamation point. All right. The sentence that it has to show an example, Charlie. The sentence that it shows to have an example is, wow, we had a fun party. And that ends with a what, Zoe?
Exclamation.
Yep. Ouch, I hurt my foot. What does that end with, Charlie?
Exclamation.
An exclamation point. Good job. Okay, so this next part, this first little section that we're going to do says circle the word that names the kind of sentence. All right? So, number 1 says God made many kinds of fruit. Is that a statement or an exclamation, Justin?
Statement.
Yes, it is a statement. So we are going to,
Circle it.
yep, we're going to circle that it's a statement. All right. What about the second one, number 2? What fruits do you like? What is that? Is that a question or a statement, Logan?
Question. Also, what's the third one right here? The third one right here?
We'll talk about it.
Can I do the third one?
Yes. Okay, so yes, number 2 is a question. All right, so we are going to do number 3, Zoe, and you said you wanted to do that one?
Yes.
Oh, I love grapes. Is that a question or an exclamation?
An exclamation.
An exclamation. Good job. Yep, I like grapes too. All right, the next part says write the end punctuation mark. So what is a punctuation mark?
It's a question, an exclamation mark, and a statement.
Yeah, it's something that we put at the end of the sentence to show that the sentence is over. Yeah. All right. So number 4, the grass grows in the summer. Is that a statement, question, or an exclamation, Justin?
Question.
No, Logan?
Exclamation.
No, Zoe.
Statement.
It's a statement. So we are going to put a little dot. All right, Zella, your time to shine. Number 5. How did Dad cut the grass? Is that an exclamation, a question, or a statement? A question. Good job. So we are going to put a
Question mark.
question mark. Good job, guys. All right. Number 6. Wow. Kate raked the whole yard. Is that a question, a statement, or an exclamation, Logan? An exclamation mark? Yep, an exclamation mark. Good job, Logan. Whoop. All right, so the next, first of all, does anybody have any questions about that top section? It's pretty easy, Logan.
I just realized the exclamation is an I this upside down.
Yeah, it is just an I upside down. Yep, good job. If you can remember it like that, then do it. All right, so this next section says, write each sentence under the correct kind of sentence. All right, we have, how high can the kite fly? We have that sentence, and then we have, wow, my kite flies so high. So we need to make that a complete sentence, because look, it doesn't have any capital letters. It doesn't have anything. It doesn't have a punctuation mark. So we need to put those under the correct statements. All right, so number 7 says exclamation. Which one would be the exclamation sentence, Zoe?
Wow, my kite flies so high.
Right, yes. So we're going to write, wow. My kite flies so high. All right, now don't forget to put a exclamation mark at the end. All right. Everyone have that sentence down?
I do.
You do? Good job.
No, I do. No, I do.
All right. Okay. So our next one is number 8, and it says question. All right. So the 2 sentences we had, which we used one of them, was how high can the kite fly? And wow, my kite flies so high. And we already used, wow, my kite flies so high. So which one are we going to use for the question, Justin? Logan?
How high can my kite fly?
Right, so we are going to make sure we put that capital letter so it can be a complete sentence, okay? So we are going to write, how high can the kite fly?
Miss A, how do you learn how to write that fast?
Oh, well, I learned very young to write this fast.
Wow.
Yeah.
You had to go to school first?
Yep, I went to school for 12 years and I'm still in school.
12 years?
Yep.
I can't stay in school for that long.
You have to.
I'll be old.
Well, you'll only be 18 when you graduate.
Since you've been in school for 30 years, now you're flipping the table.
For how many years?
I don't know how long you've
I was in school for 12 years. And then now I'm in college still.
You're in college? So that means you're 18. College?
All right, so as soon as everybody's done with the front page, we're going to move on to the back, okay?
Okay. Oh, I forgot. What's today?
Today's date is 9/25. 9/25.
925.
All right, I'm going to move over to the back, okay? I'm going to erase all the marks off. All right, so we are going to work on the back together. All right, so the first set of directions says write an exclamation about a place where you like to play. So I'm going to write, wow, I love to play at... Oh.
How can you say I like to play?
All right, I wrote, wow, I love to play at Disney World. So you can go ahead and write your own sentence in there. All right, so we're going to move down to the section that says circle the word that names the kind of sentence. All right, so the first sentence we have on number 10 says, snowflakes fell at night. Is that a statement or is that an exclamation, Logan? Snowflakes fell all night. Is that an exclamation mark or a statement? Yep, a statement. All right, number 11. Wow, the snow is so deep. Is that an exclamation or a question, Justin? An exclamation, right. All right, Charlie, number 12. Where do you want to play? Statement or question? Question. All right. The snow is so cold. Is that an exclamation or a question, Zoe?
Exclamation.
An exclamation. Very good job. All right. Now raise your pencils when you have that section done. Good job, guys. All right, so the last section, which has numbers 14 through 18, says write the end punctuation mark. Wow, your dog runs fast. Number 14. That's number 14. What is it? Is it an exclamation mark, a period, or a question mark? Charlie. An exclamation mark. Very good job. All right, number 15. Dad put a fence around the yard. Azella, what kind of sentence is that? Exclamation, a period, or a question mark? A period, yes. All right. And number 16, Logan. Oh, Dad made a huge slide. Is that an exclamation, a state?
Upside down. What do you mean? What does it mean when it says Dad put fence outside?
Fence.
Fence?
Yeah, like a fence around their yard.
I thought you said fence.
No.
Fence.
No. All right, number 17. How high is the slide? Justin, what is that?
A tall slide?
No. Logan?
Question mark.
Question mark. All right, number 18. Ouch, I hurt my foot. Zoe, what is that?
Exclamation.
And yeah, an exclamation mark. Very good job, guys. All right, so I want you to go ahead and double check your work. Make sure everything matches up to what's on the screen. And then we'll be done.